Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use Fiverr to start selling your writing services. Even if you are a beginner or just starting out as a freelancer, Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms for offering services online, and writing is one of the most in-demand skills on the platform. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process of setting up your Fiverr profile, choosing the right writing niche, creating high converting gigs, and pricing your services strategically. You will also learn how to write compelling gig descriptions, attract your first clients, and build trust even if you don't have previous freelancing experience. Right now, we are at the website of the Fiverr. I have also provided our affiliate link into the description of this video. You can just simply join the Fiverr through that link as well. So first of all, I will show you some gigs about writing services so that you can get an idea about the writing services, how much people are charging nowadays, so that you can make your gigs accordingly and set the price accordingly. So let's search for writing services and hit the enter button, and it will show us all the freelancer available with this gig. And as you can see that with the writing services tag, there are only 3500 plus results. You can see this, people are charging different amounts. Let me check, see the currency here. So yes, as you can see that people are charging different kinds of amount for their services, and you can get an idea from the services, and you can also check the availability, like the demand of this service. As you can see that this person has completed 1000 plus order with 4.9 rating. It has completed 19, it has completed 918 orders. And you can also check the quality of the thumbnails, and you can also make such kind of thumbnails so that you can also get the viewership and people start buying your gigs. So as you can see that people have a lot of views here, and they have again a lot of orders here. Okay, so you can select any micro niche within the writing service, like we will do AI writing services. So let's see how many gigs are there. So this gig has 35,000 plus. You can use it for blog post, SEO post, blog writing, each and everything. You can also do a thesis or research writing. You can give also this service. So in order to give this service, you have to join this, you have to become a seller. So you have to create your account here. So in order to create your account here, you just need to click on the become a seller, and then you can sign up on this website, and then you will create gigs like this. So for creation of the descriptions, you can use ChatGPT for their best tags and each and everything. And for the creation of thumbnails, you can use canva.com, so that you can get attractive thumbnails with good SEO based description with the help of the chat GPT. And then you will be able to create your gigs on Fiverr with good set price according to these gigs that I have just shown you. After coming to this page, you have to click on this become a seller button, and then you will create your account. You can also create your account with the help of the Google account. So that's all about it, how you can use Fiverr, how you can search for any specific niche that fits your category, and at which you are perfect. And you can also give your competitive price by just overviewing the users gigs and set a custom price so that new viewers can buy your gig. So that's how you basically use. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.